Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So today we are going to make a meme coin on Solana, and this will not be a normal meme coin because till now I have made many videos in which I have made meme coins in the name of cryptocurrency or in the name of my channel. So in this video we will make a meme coin on Solana and first do research as to where we can get an idea of what name to make the meme coin and on what thing to make it. So first of all, we will come to Google Trends. Okay, if you simply type Google Trends of Google Pay, then you will reach here. Now here, if your country is showing the country in which you live, then you should choose United States because there is more script activity here. Now once you choose United States here, after that you simply click as if you don't have to do anything, then you will get all the options here. You can choose United States from here, then you will come to trending now. Now, what happens on trending now? It shows which terms are trending recently and which are being searched the most on Google. So we will shorten it according to the recency. And if we see here, then this term of Randy Travels is going viral. And if we see its trend in the last 24 hours, then it has just reached a high if you see here, okay? So according to me, this will be a better option for meme coin because anyway, meme coin does not have any meaning. So if you pick up a trending thing, then the chances of being successful are high. Although in this video, we are not making this thing thinking that we will make a very big coin. Still, we should try from our side. So this word of Randy Travis is going viral. Now it is also important to know the reason why it is going viral. Meaning it is not necessary for us because we are not interested in it. Okay, so now we will take this word, and if you want photos of it, simply take the photos, etc. that will appear here. Like whatever it is, you can take these photos by choosing it. So I will simply download these photos. Okay, now I will come to pump.fun. Okay, now I will not do anything on pump.fun. Simply I will violate connect here, and from here I will connect the front of wallet. Now this sign up message is asking, I will confirm it. Okay, now let's do this. So my pump up wallet is connected. Now I will edit the profile. I will put any name of mine. Okay, CryptoMudra, or probably it takes this many numbers, and after that, after buy and learn buy, I will remove it. I will remove the exclamation mark. So buy and learn, and also something like this that random we will get. If you want a photo, you can change it. You can do all this. Okay. So I saved it. Now I will close it. So this is not an important stuff. If you want, you can do it, and I will close it. Now when you open pump.fun, you will be on this account where it is showing currency. And if you want to see the soul, then I have a total of $8. So I will use only $8 in this video. Now here there is an option of start new coin. I will come to start new coin. Now whatever I copied from there, I will paste it here. Roundy Tways and its ticker, you must know the ticker like Bitcoin has BTC, AADMK has etc. So you can choose that. So I will change Randy Tways to Randy here. And after that, I will see what has happened. I mean, whatever line is there, I will copy it. Okay, incredible hard 24 hours. Okay, so I will simply take this. I have no idea what this whole incident is, but I will just do that and add it in the description. So now what will happen with this is that we will be able to create training on things. And then I downloaded and kept this photo of strategy RBS. So I mean, now I will use it here. Now show is showing more options. Now you can put your own website here. You can put anything. So I will put this. Okay, there are many options for Twitter as well, Telegram. So now I will just put the link of YouTube channel in the name of the website. Now everything is set here. I have given the name. I have given this ticket. I have given incredible high 24 hours. I have given their photo. And I have given the link of the website here. Now I will go to create coin. Now I am saying that now this person is asking that look, first the coin will be made. After the coin is made and before the launch, If I buy something, then only after the launch. When other people will buy, I will be in profit. Meaning you are understanding that I created the token. Now I will buy the token myself first. After that, I will allow people to buy. So what will happen is that when people buy, the price will go up, so I can sell it at that increased price. So I will try $0.22 here. Okay. So I have created the point. Okay, so now it is saying that the money is less, so I will reduce it further. Let me try 0.2. And see, I have no idea how much I have to reduce it, because now again it is showing less money, no problem. Okay, I will go to 0.19. Okay, create so much point. How can I company wait? Let me check. Okay, okay. So I will go to 0.15 and see what happens. It is still showing insufficient. After doing period coin, I go to 0.10. Then let's see what happens. Yes, so if I did 10, then the transaction got done here. So now from here, 0.3199 Sol will go, out of which the fee will be 0.166. So now I have both 0 decimal, 0.10 annual, against which I will get 3,57,547 rainy tokens. We will confirm the token which we have just created. After confirming, it is running here. Now a new coin has been created. Now we will view it. Okay? Something went wrong. Wait. Okay? View. So we will run the scan once, and I have also come across some network issue here. We will also refresh once and see that it has opened again. So the buy that I have done here, I think it is my buy. And if you say more about it in trades here, then you will get to know below. Right now there are no trades and no one is buying. Okay? So according to this, we have created our token. Now if I want to sell it, okay? Now how long ago was this created? Less than a minute ago. What is its name? Its name is token. The photo that has come is token, which means the photo that we had uploaded is a photo. Now if I want to sell it, I can sell it. And if I enter the balance of 100%, then it is 0.16, which means I will get back 16% of the amount that I have uploaded. Now here, if we come to view profile, then there is likes received notifications here. It is okay if someone followed us, that is a different matter. There are coins. Okay, now this is coins. Now see how much I had put here. I had put 10, 0.010. Now it has increased by 1 coin, meaning it has increased by 0.1. I think some trade must have happened, or it is bigger because of some other thing, I don't know. If I sell here by putting 100%, then even now I will get the same amount. So according to this, you can make your own coin. Now what will happen is that when someone else sees this coin and he is interested in it, okay, then he will buy this coin. Right now, if we take a shot by market cap creation time, then our token must have gone down a lot. 50 seconds is not even on the first page. Just see how many tokens are created here every second. So now look, this guy has made his own token with his own photo. Okay, now I will go back, and I don't know where my token will be, because all these tokens that have been made, here is my token. 3 minutes ago, and its market cap is 6. 8K, the reply is a 0, the reply here is 1. And this token is named incredibly high 24 hours. So I hope you must have understood by this video how to make it. And before that, let me tell you once that I had $8 in my wallet, and how much is there now? Right now only $2 are left, and here I am telling you, what do you mean by these $2? I mean I have tokens left with me. So in total, out of $8, I have not 4 but $5, because there are 266 and 244, so I have $5. out of which $3 was spent by me making it, and I have about $5 left. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.